Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can add 6 columns to the Enfold theme. So let's log into our WordPress dashboard. We are already logged in, and this demo site uses the Enfold theme. So let's try to create a 6-column page. Go to Page and create a new page. Give any title, and go to Advanced Layout Editor. Go to Layout Elements and a Color section. And I will quickly add a 1x5 column. I will add a special heading and text as well. By default, Enfold only allows 5 columns in a row. If I add 6, it will come down. Let me publish the page and open it. So instead of having it like this, I want all columns in the same line. So here is a column of documentation from Enfold itself. It has all the information about columns. But let me check the 6 columns CSS. Here is it. So here is how you can do it. Let's first add the column ID name. Copy this. Click here. Go to Advanced, Developer Settings. Give the ID name. Save. And update. After that, we need to add the CSS. So here is the CSS. Let me copy this all. By the way, this is for mobile. Now click on Enfold. We changed the name. Go to General Styling and paste the CSS and save. It is done. Let me refresh the page. You can see it is now 6 columns, and it is responsive as well. Actually, let me use this extension. So this is how it looks on mobile. If you do not want 2 columns, then you can make this 100% and remove the margin. Make sure you have 2 brackets and save. And if you refresh this, it will be like this. So to give it a try. Thank you very much.